Check it. Check it. Check it out. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it out. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it out. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it out.
What's up, everybody? Today we're working on the Airflo. Once again, that's right, with me, put into work, you know what I'm saying, teaching them how to sand. And we're putting in the work. We're trying to get these little bumps off. Old paint drips and stuff like that. Top half is gonna be painted. Yeah, so look, below the window, you don't even need to worry about because it's gonna be covered, right? So focus on your area around and above the windows, basically from here up, okay? So that's what we're doing today. Working on the top half, getting it as smooth as we can so that I can prime it and then paint it. And then the bottom half is gonna be covered in wood. The back is gonna be all white, all the way up with a new roof up there. It's gonna look really cool. But teaching the boy how to put in work. Let's go. Tomorrow, boys.
Check it out.